Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a hyperlink in PDF file using Google Docs application. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application and here you install the Google Docs application. So here you can see that I have already installed this app. After installing, then open the app. Then here you click on add icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on new document. Then here you can see that I have written something. Here you just tap and hold on a word and then select the text which you want to turn into a hyperlink. So here I will select this part of the text. After that, click on three dots. Then click on insert link. After that, here you enter your link. Here I will add my YouTube channel link. So I will go to YouTube and then copy my channel link. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, here you will just paste the link from here. Then click on check mark icon at the top right corner. Now your hyperlink has been created successfully. As the same process, you can add multiple links to create a hyperlink from here. Now we have to make this file into a PDF format. So here you just click on three dots at the top right corner. After that, click on share and export. Then click on save as. After that, here you select PDF document. Then click on OK. Now the PDF file has been saved into your Google Drive. Now if you want to share this file to someone, then here you click on back icon at the top left corner. Then click on three dots at the top right corner. After that, click on share and export. Then click on send a copy option. After that, here you select PDF document. Then click on OK. And now I will share it to WhatsApp. So here I will select WhatsApp. Now as an example, if I share this file to my friend on WhatsApp, and then if my friend open the file, after that, if he will click on the highlight part of the text, then he can easily go to my YouTube channel which I have linked in. So by this process, you can add a hyperlink in PDF file easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.